everyone. In today's phonics class, we are going to learn the sound of the letter R. The sound of the letter R is a continuous rrrr. Can you try it again? Rrrr, rrrr. Let's try a few words which start with the rrrr sound. R is for rat. Rrrr, rrrr, rat. R is for rug. Rrrr, rrrr, rug. R is for run. Rrrr, rrrr, run. R is for rose. Rrrr, rrrr, rose. R is for rice. Rrrr, rrrr, rice. R is for ring. Rrrr, rrrr, ring. R is for rock. Rrrr, rrrr, rock. R is for reed. Rrrr, rrrr, reed. R is for rain. Rrrr, rrrr, rain. R is for rope. Rrrr, rrrr, rope. R is for robin. Rrrr, rrrr, robin. R is for road. Rrrr, rrrr, road. R is for radio. Rrrr, rrrr, radio. R is for ruler. Rrrr, rrrr, ruler. R is for river. Rrrr, rrrr, river. R is for rhino. Rrrr, rrrr, rhino. R is for rocket. Rrrr, rrrr, rocket. R is for ribbon. Rrrr, rrrr, ribbon. R is for robot. Rrrr, rrrr, robot. R is for rooster. Rrrr, rrrr, rooster. R is for rainbow. Rrrr, rrrr, rainbow. R is for raspberry. Rrrr, rrrr, raspberry. And not to forget me, R is for rabbit. Rrrr, rrrr, rabbit. I hope you enjoyed learning the sound of the letter R with me. See you again very soon in another video. Until next time, goodbye and do take good care.